Watch. Well, it's not a plan. Watch where I'm going. Carefully. Franchise the choosing one. 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effective. You know it go already. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. At the papers champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. First and foremost, a few days ago, when I hear some dismoral patient blogger run out. And I talk about Vibes Cartel are cheat with views and all of them shit. Every time them come out Gaza Nation and tell some farmer life to try and shit something bad on the world boss. Some loud explosion news ever come out. You know what I mean? And shove it back down them throat and them off a mass. Cause right now Vibes Cartel album a stream 1.7 million over 10 point something K view subscriber. Crazy thing, man. The man album was no joke album. But none of them can't talk about it. Because from morning them did say the album no good. So them can't afford to talk about it. You see what I deal with? So you know so no really gimmicks business. And right about now, only for hear say story broke out. You know what I mean? Story pop. Say, you know what I mean? The Cute Rider remix. And we're done by Popcorn, Spice and the World Boss. Right about now, you know. I saw the Grammy. Hear me now? Right about now. I saw the Billboard thing did start, you know, should say, you know. Vibes Cartel and Spice, you know. You see what I deal with? The big ramping shop, you know. Where the man there at the shop ramp off, you know. And after that, immediately, you know, the big bad clock song, you know, with Vibes Cartel and Popcorn. So right now, I not expect that remix there for go nothing more than Billboard. A three dynamic artists there on it. You see what I deal with? A three of the most beloved artists there on the remix where fans concerned. You see what I deal with, and I gimmicks thing that. But right about now, more address I look at thing when I say I go on. Because remember, me first come out and talk to Idol now. You see what I deal with? They ever watch the views, Gaza Nation. Because you don't know. A whole heap of fight people fight against my channel because they don't love what the loud explosion when I create. You understand me? Because I saw it going some people can't take the truth. So you know me first come on and talk to Idol. Some local people now are running and I tell me I do that thing. Me I do. Because a unity I do and I deal with. Yo, I'm tell you something, you know, some people buy fairy tales and certain things, you know. Enough people you have, you know, can read an article, you know, my virgin. And maybe can even write a sentence to, or even listen to somebody and make a speech verbally. But it's not everybody can explain what them does read or what them does listen to make you understand. You understand what I say? It's not everybody can do that. All when them can read and write. and lollipop thing because enough people reach it and been misled by it. That's what I deal with. And enough people who hear and listen stuff and been misled by it. So I don't know gimmicks thing. A real thing I deal with. Right about now. Yeah, me never did come out and I say I did that thing. I do and all this. So I don't know where the bag of controversy and chatting go. That's not what I say. You know what I mean? What I say, if what I say is that credible, because world without action, you know, that empty, you know, my brother. So I don't want to go like, because I don't know the same thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Because I don't care what you tell me, say it feel like I go through my brain first, you know. I remember I have my brain where work for me. So here what I say. I say if him did come out earlier in the year and talk about that, it would have fine. All here when him did dep on a Vibes Cartel, Bad Mind, Youth, and all kind of controversy on the internet. So don't forget that. I don't want when him wait till when him drop a song with a music video and him song a get little buzz, then him a come out and I say unity. And if him a come say unity, all the fuck you call out be a man name. You see what I deal, I not call out massacre. And you that's where it's supposed to start from. That's where the unity supposed to start from. You're supposed to call out massacre and make him know you're done with that. You know what I mean? A unity time. I make the people and left it up to him and the people them. But make certain the people them see you do that. You know what I mean? They cannot talk about it and you not do it. That means you go around corner, you're not serious then. So for now for uno way now chat up uno mouth and I go like uno stupid. No matter make the man fool them brother. If you talk about unity, you're supposed to call out a massacre name first, you're supposed to call out. Show the people them say really unity you deal with. Yo, come tomorrow in a gimmicks business, you know. Because I tend to start to laugh with it, you know, my brother. We don't buy fairy tales, you know, my brother. We don't buy general shit. We're too grown for that. To the amount of experience we have, we sell them stuff then. You hear that? We don't buy general shit from nobody, my brother. I want to tell you, man. If you say unity are the perfect opportunity that call out massacre, make the people them hear life on the life where you're there. Make the people them hear, you call them out and say you're done with all of them stuff there. And a unity you deal with. Make a change from this, so set the example. Don't matter come talk about it and a dolly on things. And I go like a gimmicks business. I mean I know. If I you just drop your song and it get look a buzz, you want to jump back on the hype scene. So you make sure you try to make things look away like in a vibes and I say unity. Remember 10 star a tube and get a youth, you know, and I go see it like me, you know. Remember where I come from, you know, concrete jungle, you know, college, you know, my brother. Remember me exposed to any and everything, you know, my brother. Me know them lollipop youth the way people can just tell bag of fairy tales and run around them, you know. You know go like that with me, you know. Gimmicks business, you know. You know my thing going, you know. Alright. Want to no man. Eh? Running from 10 star and I talk about this and that. Who did say fuck cream I talk about? I don't want you give me no empty talk and you not do and it there right there. It there right there for you polish up, you know. Because remember nobody no force you come out and talk about unity, you know. And I can talk a lot more thing, you know, because I see them get underneath him skin on the live, you know. And he must say enough man move out the teeth, you know. He want to say move out the teeth because I tell you, you know. But him no want, but him hold it back, you know. I'm not for one where they listen, not even realize all of that, you know. Because it look like certain time a man attack, you know, I must him close or him jewelry when I watch, you know, when I not listen to what the people them say, you know. That's why we concept as we're different from phone out. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because you know when I chat here, you know. You know what I mean? When you just jump up and yeah, man, I talk about him because of unity, man, I talk about him. Chat too much, man. AKA nick off time. The 10 star one making. You hear that? Yeah. Punch me, just punch in, just slap it right one time. See? 11 o'clock, right on the dot Gaza Nation. Here's some boy there chat up their mouth and them thing there. All of them, that's why I'm telling the Gaza Nation, share my video. Because boy I fight against my shit. Because they make that local channel there, worry them. Just because I don't really deal with lollipop thing. And a real thing I deal with. And men and people. Not like that. They show me I deal with them dead there fight. But the reason why I'm not worry about that, you know, I already see it. So 8 hours I come slap off in the night and I get off at 7 in the morning. Here I go on, man. At 7 hours I work for and get 1 hour lunch break. So Gaza Nation, you know, for ask if the thing slap way or shell way hotter than we hell. You know the general, the 10 star one, I represent. What? 10 star general.